Hello students. So in the previous video we have just started exercise 1.3 and we have done example number 5 in the previous video. So let's just start with example number 7, which is consider f is from R to R. And it is given by f of x is equals to 4x plus 3. Then show that f is invertible and find the inverse of f. Okay, so let's just start that 1 function. So for 1 we have to let f of x is equals to f of y, which implies 4x plus 3 is equals to 4y plus 3, which implies 4x is equals to 4y, which implies x is equals to y. Therefore f is a 1 function. Now we have to prove that it is onto. So onto के लिए क्या, we are having a particular value. So for y belongs to R, let y is equals to 4x plus 3 and we are having a pre-image of x, which is x is equals to y minus 3 divided by 4, which is belongs to R. Therefore for any y belongs to R, there exists x is equals to y minus 3 divided by 4 belongs to R, such that f of x is equals to f of y minus 3 divided by 4 is equals to 4 into bracket y minus 3 divided by 4, 4 get cancels, plus 3 is equals to y minus 3 plus 3 is equals to y. So therefore f is onto. Since f is 1 and onto, therefore f inverse is exist. Okay, so for finding the inverse, first of all we have to prove that the function is 1 and onto. Thus f is 1 and onto, therefore f inverse exists. Okay, so let's just find the f inverse. Let us define g is from R to R by g of x is equals to y minus 3 divided by 4. So now g of fx is equals to g of fx is equals to g of f4x plus 3. So यहाँ पे वैल्यू रख देंगे x की जगह पे. सो इट इज़ 4x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 4. So this is 4x divided by 4. Answer is x. Now we have to find the g of y. So g of fy is, we have to find f for gy. So this is f of gy. Gy is what? 4 y minus 3 divided by 4. So f into bracket y minus 3 divided by 4. So f of x क्या है? 4x plus 3. वहाँ पे ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी y minus 3 divided by 4 plus 3. 4 get cancel. Y minus 3 plus 3 is equals to y is equals to, therefore g of f is equals to f of g is equals to IR. Hence f is invertible function. Hence f is invertible and the inverse of f, that is f inverse y is equals to g of y is equals to y minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, now let's just move on to example number 9. In which we are having consider the function f is from minus 5 to infinity. F is from r to minus 5 to infinity, given by f of x is equals to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Then show that f is invertible with f inverse y under root y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so first of all let's just start. Is given by 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Let y be an arbitrary element of minus 5 to infinity. Let y is equals to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. So this is a quadratic equation, तो इसको हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ 3x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर इसका आंसर है. मतलब हम उसको क्या कर रहे हैं, कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. दिस इज -1 -5 थर्ड टर्म वेरिएबल. सो दिस इज 3x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 6 विच इम्प्लाइज 3x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू y प्लस 6. ये इस तरफ चले गए. विच इम्प्लाइज 3x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट ऑफ y प्लस 6. सो विच इम्प्लाइज x is equals to under root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. So therefore we are having x is equals to this. Now we have to prove that this is a invertible function. तो g of f and f of g find करना पड़ेगा. So let's just start to find. So therefore f is 1 2. And f is the range is minus 5 to infinity. Now let us define g is from minus 5 to infinity to r as g of y is equals to under root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so let's just start to prove g of fx is equals to g of f of x is equals to g of 9x square plus 6x minus 5. So this is nothing but g into 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. थर्ड टर्म वैल्यू की हिसाब से ये रखा है. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ y. So this is under root of 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6 plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. ये ब्रैकेट के मतलब अंडर रूट के बाहर है. So this is -6 plus 6 cancel, square and square root cancel. So this is 3x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3. So the answer is x. Now let's just find the value of f of gy. So this is f of gy is equals to f of under root y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so f of x की फंक्शन में रखेंगे. f of x is 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. 3 into bracket अंडर रूट y प्लस 6 माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाई 3 प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल माइनस 6 इज इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पे ये 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, -1 + 1 कैंसिल, तो अंडर रूट y प्लस 6 होल स्क्वायर -6, so this is y plus 6 minus 6 is equals to y. Therefore GOF is equals to IR plus and FOG is equals to I2 minus phi to infinity. Therefore hence F is invertible and the inverse is F inverse y is equals to G of y is equals to under root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. ओके, एक बार वापस से वो थर्ड टर्म वाला देख लेते हैं. 9x² प्लस 6x माइनस 5. सो यहाँ पे थर्ड टर्म वाला वैल्यू कैसे आता है, मिडल टर्म होल स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय 4 इंटू फर्स्ट टर्म. सो दिस इज मिडल टर्म, दैट इज 6² डिवाइड बाय 4 इंटू 9. सो दिस इज 36 अपॉन 36, मतलब 1 आना चाहिए. ठीक है, बट 5 है तो उसको एडजस्ट करेंगे. 9x² प्लस 6x माइनस प्लस 1, तो +1 को हमने ऐड किया तो माइनस भी करना पड़ेगा, -1 -5. सो दिस इज़ 9x² प्लस 6x प्लस 1 माइनस 6, और ये इसका आंसर आता है 3x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 6. ये कैसे सॉल्व होगा, 9 के ऐसे पार्ट बनाने हैं जिसका आंसर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में 3 एंड एडिशन में 6. सो दिस इज़ 3 + 3, सो 9x² plus 3x plus 3x plus 1. So 3x common, so this is 3x plus 1 common 3x plus 1. So this is, that's why 3x plus 1 whole square. ठीक है, so from this we are having 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Now move on to next example number 11. In which we are having f is from 1 to 3 to a b c is given by f of 1 is equals to a, f of 2 is equals to b and f of 3 is equals to c. Then find f inverse and show that f inverse of inverse is equals to y. Okay, so let's start. So let's just given a function g is defined by abc to 1 2 3 invertible function अगर है तो. So let's just start. f of g a is equals to f of g of a. So f of g of a is 1, that is f of 1 is equals to f of 1 का वैल्यू कितना है, a. Next is f of gb. So f of gb कितना है 2, that is f of 2 is equals to b, and f of gc is equals to f of g into c is equals to f of 3. f of 3 is c, and g of f1 is equals to g of f1. g of f1 is what, g of a. g of a का वैल्यू कितना आया है 1. g of f2 is equals to g of f2. f2 is what, b, therefore g of b is equals to what, 2. g of 3, that is g of f3 is equals to g of c is equals to 3. Okay, so therefore g of f is equals to ix and f of g is equals to iy, where x is 1 2 3, x is equals to 1 2 3 and y is equals to A, B and C. Okay, now let's just find F inverse. So therefore the inverse of F exists and F inverse is equals to G. Therefore F inverse is equals to ABC 2 1 2 3 is given by F inverse A is equals to 1, F inverse B is equals to 2 and F inverse C is equals to 3. Now we have to define F of inverse. Okay, so let H is equals to 1 2 3 2 ABC. Therefore H of 1 is equals to A, H of 2 is equals to B and H of 3 is equals to C. Then we have to prove for G of H1 is equals to G of H1. G of H1 is A. G of A is equals to what? 1. G of H2 is equals to G of H2 is equals to G of B is equals to 2. G of H3 is equals to G of H3. H3 is what? C. G of C is equals to 3. And similarly we can find HOGA is equals to A, HOGB is equals to B and HOGC is equals to C. Okay, hence F of inverse is F. GOH is equals to IR IX and HOG is equals to IY, where X is equals to 1 2 3 and Y is equals to A B C. So the inverse of G also exists. The inverse of G exists and G inverse is equals to H, which implies G की जगह पे क्या लिख सकते हैं? F of inverse is equals to H, but you can see that H having the function same, so we can prove that F inverse of inverse is F. Hence we proved. Okay, so we will just stop here. In the next video we are going to continue with exercise 1.3. Thank you.